Good day. Refill rinse aid and sanitized LEDs start flashing a few seconds after turning on the dishwasher. After turning it on, and before the LEDs start flashing, I hear something that sounds like a pump operating, very briefly. Called Bosch and they said they can't help me troubleshoot over the phone, and I must contact repair. Would like to troubleshoot and resolve myself if possible. Thanks a lot. Candy Crute. I don't have a model number in front of me, but it starts with she. I just got the dishwasher the end of December 2013. Thanks so much.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Those flashing lights are not an error code on Bosch dishwasher, they mean something is wrong with your control board. Try to flip the circuit breaker off to the dishwasher for 5 minutes to see if the electronics will reset. If that won't reset the board, you'll want to call out warranty because the unit is still under warranty and it sounds like you have a bad control board.
Thanks Tyler Z, trying it now. It worked. And dang it, if I had gone with my gut, and my 9.5 years experience as an electronics technician in the AF, I would have done just what you suggested. But, thought that was too simple, oh. Take care Tyler Z. We'll give you a great rating.
Awesome, I'm really glad it was so simple because the alternative is not so great.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.